Welcome. Take a look step by step how we can remove and attach bands on that Watch Fit 5 Pro from Huawei. So first of all, when you take a look here next to the sensors, you can find this small buttons that we have to use. So now to remove that band, we have to hold this button with our fingernail, press it, and now we can just take it off. This simple button, you have to just press with your finger and it will allow you to pull it out of this slot. But to put it back, it's actually a little bit harder. So how we can actually attach? As you can see, we have to hold this part like this, and we have to also press this button. So we have to insert here fully and release when you hear that click sound. If it is not working, you have to just make sure that you are pressing this button hard enough and then make some corrections. So just be patient, try for a few times and you will definitely get it.